This land doesn't whisper, it thunders with stories of Parker Ranch's past. Where Paniolo leather boots beat history into red dirt and Auntie Didi welcomes us. Respect ain't optional, it's ancestral. Echoes through our ears, bare feet kissing dew-blanketed ground. We rose with the sun, Auntie Carolyn speaks, and we listen to the untamed natural history of Hawaii, the kind not found in textbooks, but in mountainous veins, in cow bones, Ikikapo o Kanoikolo, the blanketing mist in wind-whipped eucalyptus giants that ebb and flow, who breathe along with us, natural and bare. Uncle Brendan educates, he doesn't just teach, he translates. The pulse of rangelands, bum bum, bum bum. The breath of ecosystemic services, the way one blade of grass can hold an entire cosmic economy in the lens of a microscopic tear. We learn to read leaves, like lovers read letters, stained with the kisses of our kupuna, chanting mo'okuauhau and screaming, "E lono e!" Wearing our culture in our back pockets, plant identification in our back pockets, soils in our palms, and the cowboys, the cowboys. Sweat falling, cows bleeding, P5 branded, screaming tales at Punohu Corral, where clanking iron sparks more than fire, they brand memory. The hip and hut of great-great-grandsons jeering, a helele'i kaua, and rain falls, bare feet kissing dew-blanketed ground. We rose with the sun, Auntie Mackenzie and Auntie Angel sharpened minds with invasive species and critical thinking, because not every green thing belongs here. Because protection means knowing the enemy wears roots, sometimes even flowers. Estimating forage, clipping grasses like barbers of balance, finding harmony between hoof and harvest. Maria and Thaden sit under the malu of the koa as Mahealani snips bundle by bundle. Uncle Jacob pulls in, tells of an agriculture that his great-great-grandfather remembers, how rain once listened to chant, how fish ponds fed more than stomachs. Komo kalei kalai, our hearts are full, our mind flowing, bare feet kissing dew-blanketed ground. We rose with the sun as Dr. Wood greets us. Reproduction models knock on white tables like a surgeon of natural science, detailing the inside of reproductive organs as more than flesh, but as gears, and a cycle that keeps this island and Paniolo culture alive. The rainfall simulator drips evenly like a chant, like a metaphor. We simulate nature, but we can never replicate it. And Auntie Carolyn and Dylan, they bring it full circle. Sky to soil, student to steward, like the sweetness in unexpected places. Our maple syrup in a hamburger bun. Uncle Drew walks us through stockwater systems where even a drop has purpose, has path, has place, where troughs feed water and water feeds life, like the lily noi that kisses us as we pluck the sweet plums of the water tank, bare feet kissing dew-blanketed ground. We rose with the sun, final day. We are the speakers. The haumana now hold the mic. We reflect on final projects, on final meals, on how we came with suitcases, but now leave with kuleana. Because this right here, this wasn't just a camp. This was ceremony. This was communion. This was a classroom without walls, where the lesson plan was written by wind, by Aina, and by the ancestors who never left. Where we strummed to the beat of our song, keys plucked by fingers of our Na'ao's harmony.